the common denominator. So what we have to do first is determine what the common denominator is. Let's notice this first fraction actually factors. This denominator factors as x minus 3, x plus 3, as does the third denominator, x minus 3, x plus 3. So if we look at all three denominators, x minus 3, x plus 3, and x minus 3, and an x minus 3, x plus 3, our common denominator contains one of every expression that occurs. So our common denominator is x minus 3, x plus 3. We want to multiply through by x minus 3, x plus 3 over 1. So I'm going to multiply the first fraction by x minus 3, x plus 3 over 1 times this very first fraction. And I'm going to go ahead and write that denominator, x squared minus 9, in its factored form. And then let's go and multiply our second fraction by that common denominator. So everything is going to get multiplied by this common denominator. And then finally, let's multiply our third fraction by x minus 3, x plus 3 over 1. And I'm going to rewrite that third fraction's denominator in its factored form. All right, now we can cross cancel. So x minus 3 will cancel with x minus 3. X plus 3 will cancel with x plus 3. Over here, x minus 3 will cancel with x minus 3. And in our third fraction, x minus 3 will cancel with x minus 3. X plus 3 will cancel with x plus 3. So notice in our first fraction, we have x over 1, or just x left. We have 4 and x plus 3 left. And finally, we have 3 on the right. And now it's a normal looking equation. So let's go ahead and distribute our parentheses. 4 times x is 4x. 4 times 3 is 12. Let's add our like terms. X and 4x is 5x. Let's get our 12 to the other side. So we'll subtract it. And we get 5x equals negative 9. And then divide out our 5. So we get x is negative 9/5. Now there's one last thing that we have to do. We have to make sure that negative 9/5 does not cause a 0 in any of our denominators that we started with. If we put negative 9/5 into the first denominator, negative 9/5 squared minus 9 is not 0, so it's okay. Second denominator, same thing. Negative 9/5 minus 3 is not 0. And in our third denominator, negative 9/5 squared minus 9 is not 0. So this solution is okay. If it had given us a 0 in the denominator, we would have crossed it out and said no real solution.